Hi everybody, time for 10-minute Technology Tuesday, part 3 of our Excel spreadsheet. We are developing a schedule and I'll review what we did the last 2 times and then go into what we're learning for today, which is autofill and how to delete and add rows. So quick review of what we did last time. We're able to create our schedule going across. We have the days, we have times going out. We enter data by clicking on it and typing something, the bar up here, or just typing right into here by double clicking. We're able to copy and paste by right click, copying, go into another cell and paste. We are able to, the last time, change the appearance of the cells. We added a background by using the paint up here. We made it bold by using the symbols up here. We use some shortcuts by these right here. I found those here under cell styles. Last time that I did this session, it looked a little bit different, so I had to look for it myself. But here are the cell styles, and it even tells me more than I knew before by using the headings 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's something new that I learned for today. So last time was all about appearance, making it right justified, left justified, and cell wrapping, where we use these up here, this right here, to choose cell wrap, and we also did a cell merge, I believe. Yes, we merged cells last time. Like here, as an example of where we merged the cells. So on for today, we're going to learn about autofill, and we're going to learn about how to delete rows and add rows. So autofill, I was reading about this and found it pretty interesting. You could type something in like this, where it's expecting it will expect what the next answer will be. As I have this highlighted, you see here I can make a cross, and I can drag this cross across, drag the cross across the other cells, and see how it's filling in the rest of the days. It's anticipating what I want. So now I have the calendar days all set for me. I could also do that going down. So I clicked on that cell, find the cross again. See, can't see the cross right now. It's a different kind of cross. It's more of a cursor. Right here is a small cross. I drag down. You can see it's filling in for me. I think that's pretty neat. So autofill, that's called. I'm going to undo those, start again. It also said that I could go to something like quarter 1, and then I could autofill these over, and it would guess what I was going to be doing. I did try putting in just the number 1 and tried to autofill, and it didn't guess what I wanted it to do. It thought I wanted to just copy and paste it, which is something we'll be talking about a little bit different. I did put in a 1 and then made a series of numbers. If I highlight that series and I get the little cross again, it will guess what I'm doing. See how you see the 4 and the 5? It will guess what I'm doing and autofill then. So I think you could find that interesting for you. I'm just undoing these so we can go back. I'll get rid of my January, start back over here. So back here at the schedule, what if you wanted to change the dates or the times here and you need to add another column here? Like maybe on Tuesdays, your reading time is only from 8:10 to 8:30. So instead of, you needed to be able to add another column in to change the times. So I'm going to highlight up right here, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to do insert column. Let's try this. And inserted the column right there for me. Let's do it one more time. So I highlight the whole column, and that's if I want a whole column, not just a row or not just a cell. I right click, I do insert, and there I got column. A couple other ways you can do that. I was looking over here on formatting tables. Where was it? Oh, here. Here's another way you could insert. Add cells, rows, and sheets. Let's see what happens if I do this. Insert cells. There we go. So there's another way to do it. Same thing goes for, these are columns. Same thing goes for cells. If I highlight across here, right click, insert, I get the column. It looks like it's always going above or to the left. I could try that same way over here. Insert, insert sheet rows, insert cells. Let's try that. So now you can add something. Let's say that you really do need to change the times for Tuesdays. It's not going to be the 8:30 to 8 o'clock time. So you can easily just insert it there and change the schedule from there. What if we wanted to do an insert cell? So if I right click here, am I going to get insert? I'm not. Let's see if I can go insert here. Insert cell. Let's see what happens if I do insert cell. It's going to give me this. So it's asking me if you want to insert here, do you want the rest of them to shift down? Or do you want to do the entire row, or do you want them to shift right? So let's see what happens if I shift down. So now it gave me a new cell right there. Right, the same is going to happen for deleting a row. So I'm going to highlight the whole row again, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit delete, and the row goes away. I'll do that one more time. So I'm highlighting the whole row, right click, hit delete, and it goes away. Or we can go up here, delete cells. I've got it all highlighted so it'll know what to do. If I was highlighting just one cell and clicked delete, it would give me this choice again. Do I want to shift up? Do I want to do the entire row? Because it's not sure if you just hit the cell instead of the whole column. It's not sure what you want to do. Same goes for the columns. If I wanted to, let me just insert one here. If I wanted to delete it, I highlight it, right click, delete. Let's bring it back again. Or over here, delete cells or row. Oh, there you have it. We've worked on autofill today, where we typed in something that's expecting, like the months of the year, January, February, highlighted it and extended the cross here over, and it autofills. You can do that for numbers. If you put in a series of numbers, it will anticipate what you want. Quarter one, quarter two, maybe grades you could put in if it's going to anticipate what it is. And then we learned how to delete rows and add rows. I think that's all we'll do for today. I hope you enjoyed this session of 10-Minute Technology Tuesday. Bye now.